In this video, I show you how to fix Google Maps not showing my location. For fixing this problem, just go to Play Store, search for Google Maps. Make sure Google Maps is up to date. Tap on it. Now up to date your Google Maps if available in your update version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps or application management. Tap on it. Then tap on see all apps. Now search for maps. Tap on maps. Tap on force stop. Then OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Then clear storage. Then delete. Now swipe down notification panel. Now enable location. Now open your Google Maps app. Now click on map location icon here. Now tap on while using the app. Now I hope that this method fix Google Maps not showing my location problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.